In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with view-only access. Whether you're looking to share your schedule with a colleague, a friend, or family member, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you maintain control over who sees your calendar and what details they can view. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Google Calendar. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Calendar's website. Once there, you will be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. Type in your email address, click Next, and then enter your password. Click Next once more to access your calendar. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main calendar view. Here you can view your schedule by day, week, month, or year. For our purpose today, make sure you're looking at the week of October 19th, 2020 for us. This step is just to get you familiar with navigating your calendar. Next, we're going to dive into the settings where the magic happens. Look for the Settings option, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Clicking this will take you away from your calendar view and into the Settings menu where you can adjust various preferences for your Google Calendar. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on your calendar from the list provided. This is important because Google allows you to manage settings for each calendar you've created or subscribed to individually. Clicking on your calendar name will bring up a menu dedicated to options for that specific calendar. Now here's where you decide whom you want to share your calendar with. Look for the option labelled Share with specific people or groups. Clicking this opens up a new set of options for sharing your calendar. Within this area, you'll notice there's a drop-down menu that allows you to select the level of access you want to grant. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security. By selecting See All Event Details from the drop-down, you're specifying that you want the person or group to view details of events, but not edit them. Be mindful that you're selecting the correct option here to ensure your calendar remains view-only for those you're sharing it with. After selecting the appropriate level of access, you'll simply need to enter the email address of the individual or group you wish to share your calendar with and confirm your choice. Congratulations! You've successfully set up view-only access to your Google Calendar for someone else. Remember, sharing your calendar this way doesn't give others the ability to edit or add anything to your schedule. They can only view the events as you've entered them. This makes it a perfect solution for keeping everyone informed without relinquishing control over your calendar. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to share your Google Calendar with view-only access. This feature is incredibly useful for coordinating schedules, planning events, or just staying connected with others. As always, you can revise or revoke access at any time through your calendar's settings, giving you total control over who sees your schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow tech guides.